On your taskbar at the right bottom, you will have a printer icon when something is in the print queue. By double-clicking this, you will open your printer and the queued items. You can go to printer at the top left and then click on cancel all documents to clear the printer's queue. To restart the spooler, you can right-click on your taskbar at the bottom and click on Task Manager. Then go to the Services tab. You can sort the services by clicking on Description, which makes finding the spooler a lot easier. Once you find Print Spooler in the list, right-click and click Stop. Open your File Explorer and go to the following folder on your C drive: Windows, then System 32, then Spool, and then Printers. Delete everything in this folder. This will clear all jobs on all the printers. Then go back to Task Manager, Services, and start the Print Spooler.